Okay, for example 3, it says multiply using FOIL. FOIL is an acronym. This stands for the technique to do this. So F stands for first, O stands for outer, I stands for inner, and L stands for last. So if we take a look at this problem, first off, it doesn't look like the other two problems does, but when you see object squared, what's being squared is the object 3x plus 2. The entire parentheses is being squared. So this means that 3x plus 2 is being multiplied by 3x plus 2. Not 3x squared and 2 squared, but this entire binomial squared. So what we have to do here to establish FOIL, let me use some different colors here to help it make sense hopefully. Let's use blue and red and green and black. Alright, so when I do first, looking at each binomial as two objects, first, second, first, second. First means to multiply the firsts. So 3x and 3x multiplied, both positive, make 9x squared. For outer, if you look at this as 4 different objects, 1, 2, 3, 4, the outer two objects are right here. 3x and positive 2 makes positive 6x. Same deal for inner. You've got 4 objects, 1, 2, 3, 4. These ones are the inner objects. 2 and 3x, both positive, make positive 6x. And finally, when I do last, much as I do first, these are both the first terms in both polynomials. These are both the last terms. So those go next. So 2 and 2 make positive 4. Just to take a look real quick, imagine back to the distributive property expression, or problem. 3x got multiplied by 3x, 3x got multiplied by 2. 2 got multiplied by 3x, 2 got multiplied by 2. It's just another way to do the distributive property. It's just maybe a little bit more, I guess, procedural there. Sometimes it makes sense. One nice thing about FOIL, if you do it correctly, if you put your F's and L's on the top and your O's and I's on the bottom, you get this smiling face at you on your paper. Maybe brightens your day a little bit, who knows. Once I've done all the multiplication, I look for like terms. Both of those are 6x's. They don't have to be 6x necessarily, but the fact they both have x the first means I can add or subtract them. So 9x squared, there are no other x squared terms, nothing else happens to that. 6x and 6x both are positive, so I add them together, I get 12x. Remember, when we add letters, we do not change powers. Plus 4, there's no other constant, so 9x squared plus 12x plus 4. A lot of people see this problem and they think 9x squared plus 4 immediately. Those do show up, but there's this extra term that you forget. So this technique is very effective. All 3 techniques I've shown you, examples 1, 2, and 3, all work every single time for binomials. If you have a favorite one or one that you like better than the other ones, just practice that one. Not one of them works any faster than the other, so I would say pick one that you like, get really good at it, get the right answer all the time, and that's my advice for that.